Hello everyone, hello guys. Welcome again to my learning experience with Kotlin. So today I will be te- telling you the story how I failed my program. So basically, what I wanted to accomplish, I couldn't because I didn't have enough knowledge. But yeah, hopefully for the next week, I think. Next week assignment gonna be let me check very quick. It's gonna be uh, app, so it's gonna be mobile app for me. And hopefully, by the next week, uh, I will be able to learn how to do it and accomplish my homework. You know that today, basically, what I have done, um, you can see in files on the left side, and let's go through each of those files. Like first, I started with learning data types and variables we can declare in Kotlin using var or val. And next thing, you just name it and assign some value. As you can see in these two examples, we can assign string and integer. Another way to assign it, we can do name and then put column and specify this as string, like in this example, and string is name Dmitry. And the same thing we can do with integer, just name, column, integer, and assign value. So difference between val and var, one is mutable, like var, basically you can change the value, and val is unmutable, you cannot change the value. And the same way you can do for the other types of uh, data, like char. You can see boolean. I didn't include like long and all that thing because it's a lot. um, Next thing what I found interesting is ability to convert number. For example, if we have integer here like 60, we can convert it onto double. And we do it with this function number dot to double. And here is actually the list of functions that we can use. Next thing that I find interesting is expressions. So basically, it's like if else statements, right? So if also in Kotlin, there is a difference with Java where we can assign this statement result into variable, like here you can see result, and we are assigning if. So if number is more, then the value will be positive number, negative, else it's gonna be negative. Interesting, right? Let's run this. I'm wondering what's gonna happen. It says positive number, and in second result number is 0. Okay, let's go next. This functions. So in order to start a function, you need to write fun and the name of the function and then this thing like bracket function body, and that's basically it. So if you want to call this function, you need to uh, type the name of the function in main, like here. You see, this is the name. Also, you can pass arguments into the function, and here is something interesting. Like we can specify this is the name of argument and type. And also, what is interesting, I found by writing column and the type like string, integer, we can specify what this function will return. For example, this one will return string. Let's run it and see. Nice, right? Okay, the next one is input output. I also find this very interesting. So we can use println or print difference. One is printing in one line and another is on new line. If ln, if you add new line. And here uh, also interesting, you can notice that we can pass into the string value. If we place dollar sign, then value we want to print. And it's also very useful because in Java you will have to add plus sign uh, and add your value there. So here is much easier. Let's go next. Here is loops. So basically it's the same while and do while loops. Let's run it. You can see loop number will be printed many times. Guys, you can see this is an internal loop. Let me stop this program. We just found an error here. We need to subtract, and now it should work. Let's run one more time. Yeah, sorry it's taking long, but do loop one iteration because one number is here. But loop here 5 iterations. Nice. So the next one, input output. Uh, did I already look at it? I did. So I forgot to mention there is a read line that will require will allow user to enter value. For example, we can type something and get it back. Let's see how it works. Enter. Hi. See, you entered hi. The program is over now. Okay, and I think the most interesting and hard to understand is a class. I still learning about it, but here is what I got. Here is the class, right? You basically start with class name. The next thing you can see that looks like function is actually a constructor. So you can pass some variable name and type, and it will be like constructor. Also, you can add initialization here. name in this example, then we call that class. See the class person right here, we enter and then we print it out. Let's run it and see how it works. Yeah, the difference here, we can print out specific value, right? Age and the name. Yeah, that's basically it for the my learning for today. The program I was intended to create didn't work, so that left a lot of disappointments. But have a nice day, everyone. Bye bye.